It's a Ronseal rifle, it just works. Mossberg, famous in the UK predominantly for its shotguns. However, at Viking Arms we've now brought in a range of rifles to suit most budgets. This is a superb, what we would class as a gamekeeper's gun. Retailing at £600, you've got a one-piece ABS stock, an adjustable trigger down to £3, half fluted, threaded barrel with a nice matte, anti-rust, anti-glare finish. Comes complete with a Picatinny rail so you can mount night vision or a standard optic. Comes with a nice fluted bolt, easy operational, safe to catch, detachable magazine, very slick, oversized bolt and a nice light trigger. Ideal, out of the box, £600, ready to put any optic on you want, ready to go. Guaranteed to shoot under 1 MOA. I think for the price at £600, you're getting a lot of product there for your money. You've got a trigger that doesn't need replacing like many others would. You've got an oversized bolt handle, so you're not having to buy a basic gun for £600 and then add more bits and pieces to it so it ends up £1,000. It's ready to go.